good afternoon. Today we are going to learn important topic, that is 5 important measures for sustainable developments. First measure is technology. Let's talk about it. Technology. Using appropriate technology is one which is locally adaptable, eco-friendly, resource efficient and culturally suitable. So first measure is technology. By using technology, we can achieve sustainable development. Second measure is reduce, reuse and recycle approach. Let's talk about it. The 3R approach are represent here. 3R represent here: reduce, reuse and recycle. Advocating minimization of resource use, using them again instead of passing it on the waste stream, and recycling the materials goes a long way in achieving the goals of sustainability. It reduces pressure on our resources as well as reduces waste generation and pollution. This point is most important, that is, it reduces pressure on our resources as well as reduces waste generation and pollution. Third measure is promoting environmental education and awareness. This is also important measure. Making environmental education the center of all learning processes will greatly helps in achieving the thinking pattern and attitude of people towards our earth and environment. And introducing subject right from the school stage will inculcate a feeling of belongingness to earth in small children. Earth thinking will gradually get incorporated in our thinking and action, which will greatly helps in transforming our lifestyle to sustainable ones. Third measure is also important. Let's go toward fourth measure. Resources utilization as per carrying capacity. Any system can sustain a limited number of organisms on long term basis, which is known as its carrying capacity. This term is important here. Carrying capacity. Carrying capacity means any system can sustain a limited number of organisms on long term basis, which known as carrying capacity. In case of human beings, the carrying capacity concept becomes all the more complex. It is because, unlike other animals, human beings not only need food to live but need so many other things to maintain the quality of life. Sustainability of a system depends on largely upon the carrying capacity of the system. Hence, if the carrying capacity of system is crossed, say by over exploitation of resources, environmental degradation start and continues till it reaches a point of no return. And fifth measure is improving quality of life, including social, cultural and economic. Development should not focus just on one section of already affluent people. Rather, it should include sharing of benefits between the rich and the poor, and the tribal ethical people and their cultural heritage should also be conserved. Strong community participation should be there in policy and practice, and population growth should be stabilized. So today we saw 5 measures for sustainable development. First one was technology, second was 3R approach, means reduce, reuse and recycling approach. In this image we can see that recycling. Third one was promoting environmental education and awareness to people. Fourth one was resource utilization as per carrying capacity, and fifth one was improving quality of life including social, cultural and economic. So thank you for watching this video.